So follow yellow, blue, green, yellow. So we're on the 7 hole here. We're on the tonic of the upper octave. That's pretty good. Then blue, blue, green. Green is sharp. Yellow, blue, green. That helps you figure, the tuning card helps you figure out which note you need to adjust compared to which note you've just played. That's pretty good. Oh, and that top yellow is very sharp. The draw plate, you have to turn the harmonica around. So the tuning card has the notes upside down for you to work on them. Notice that there are more colors than yellow, blue, and green. There's the purple and there's gray. We're still going to start with the landmark notes. We want harmony. So we're going to tune tonic, third, and fifth, yellow, blue, and green. And now finally, the 610, the gray notes, the gray colored rather, on the tuning card. And that seems a bit sharp, and you can hear it. There you go. So we have great chords and intervals using the tuning card.